mo share sa amin, how do you guys plan to celebrate the Hearts Day?
Wala pang plano. Parang dapat lalaki ang nagplano.
March, syempre, it's Love Month na, February. Baka pwede mo share sa amin, how do you guys plan to celebrate the Hearts Day?
Wala pang plano. Parang dapat lalaki ang nagplano.
Oo, pero gano'n ka importante na may effort sa part ng guys?
I think your relationship is always two-way street. It's not, hindi lang pwedeng lalaki. We are always pushing for equality. So, equality means pati yung effort equal. So, sa relasyon naman namin, wala namang mas nag-effort at mas hindi nag-effort. So, yeah.
May ideal time ko ba of a Valentine's celebration?
Wala pa. Naku, iniisip ko nga parang taping day namin yan.
And how's Dom? Kumaga, kamusta? Isa rin siya sa very busy ngayon.
Yeah,
Preparation.
he's also very busy. He's like, he's focusing on his health also. He plays tennis almost every day.
But something special about him? For a long time nakasama mo siya. Something special about Dom?
A lot of things, many things. But I guess I like how self-assured he is and that he's not insecure.